At Westminster, Vicky Young. Let's turn then to the conflict in Ukraine. Russian forces have now launched a major offensive in eastern Ukraine after redirecting forces from around the capital, Kyiv. Russia claims to have struck more than 1,200 military targets overnight in its bid to establish full control over the Donetsk and Luhansk regions, known collectively as the Donbas. In Mariupol, which is a strategic port on the edge of the Donbas, separatist fighters who are backed by Russia have been trying to seize an industrial complex there. But the city's last remaining defenders have been holding out, along with hundreds of civilians. Our correspondent Catherine Beer-a-hang-gar sent this report from close to the eastern front line.
Russia unleashed its long-anticipated assault on eastern Ukraine. Thousands of troops backed by heavy weaponry on the move. It's a campaign to seize the Donbas region, an attempt to salvage some kind of victory after significant losses in the north.
Another stage of this operation is beginning, and I'm sure this will be a very important moment of this entire special operation.
Villages like Novoselivka are becoming the new front line of this war. Russian forces have stepped up their bombardments. A small bomb squad has been called in to defuse unexploded munitions. They have to work carefully but quickly. There are more and more people needing their services.
The enemy has started deploying these munitions in large numbers, and quite a few of them fail to function in certain conditions.
From this village, we can hear live artillery rounds in the distance. They're loud booms. And this community is trying to prepare itself for a full-on Russian offensive. They're doing their best, but this is going to be a difficult, protracted war. Mikola Ivanovich was home when the explosion started. From a population of 300 people, there are just a handful left in Novoselivka.
It happened at night. It started with 3 massive explosions. At 6 a.m, I got up to work and saw people running around. I saw bits of bombs covering farms. I told them not to go there. Some time ago, a woman picked one up over there and got killed.
There's a devastating cost to Russia's invasion. Mariupol in the south has been razed to the ground. Aid agencies say thousands of civilians are trapped here, under siege. A few Ukrainian forces refuse to let the city fall, holding out in an iron and steel plant. Today, Russian special forces began storming buildings nearby. But a Russian victory is far from certain in Ukraine. Catherine Beer-a-hang-gar, BBC News, Novoselivka in the east of Ukraine.
Well, Boris Johnson says the UK